We have given 3 decimal numbers and we need to multiply them. When we don't have any sign, it's multiplication. So how we do this? We start from the left side and we are going to the right. First we have to multiply 7.8 times 0.9. So because we have decimal numbers, so first we have to forget about decimal points and we have to just multiply 7.8 times 0.9. By 0 we have before 9, so we don't have to write this, we just write 9. To multiply these two whole numbers first. How we do this? We start from the right side and we are going to the left side. 9 times 8 is 72, so we have 2 and 7 in the next column we have to add. 9 times 7 is 63, plus 7 is 70. And now we have to multiply two decimal numbers, so we have to count decimal places. Next, in the first number we have 1 decimal place, in the second we have 1. So 1 plus 1 give me 2. So in the solution of our multiplication we need to have 2 decimal places. So we have to count this decimal places from right to left. 1, 2. So decimal point will be between 7 and 0. So 7.8 times 0.9 is 7.02. And next we have to multiply this product by 0.12. So we have, let me write this, 0.12 times 7.02. Again, 2 decimal numbers. So first we forget about decimal points and we just multiply these 2 whole numbers. And always when we have 0 before first digits in our number, we can forget about the 0. So we have to just multiply 12 times 702. And I always write on the top the greater number. 700 is greater than 12. So we have 702 multiplying by 12. How we multiply whole numbers? We start from the last column and we are going to the left. First we have to multiply every number in the first row by 2. Next, every number in the first row by 1. So we have first 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 7 is 14. And next we have 1 times 2. And don't forget 1 is in the second column, so this is 10th column. So this is 10 times 2. So this is 20. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 7 is 7. And now we have to do addition. So we have 4 plus 0 is 4. 0 plus 2 is 2. 4 plus 0 is 4. 1 plus 7 is 8. So now we multiply whole numbers. We have to now come back to our decimal numbers. We have to count how many decimal places we have in our first factor. 1, 2. So we count the digits after decimal point. In the second decimal number we have 1, 2. So 2 decimal places and 2 decimal places. So this is 4 decimal places. We just add these decimal places in the first decimal number and in the second decimal number. So we need 4 decimal places in our solution. So we start from the right side and we are going to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the decimal point will be before 8. So the solution will be decimal point 8424, or you can write that this is 0.8424. It doesn't matter which you use, both solutions are correct. So the product of multiplication with 3 decimal numbers is decimal point 8424.